Grow this Syngonium plant as a permanent plant indoors. Have this beautiful green plant in many varieties in your home as a decorative plant or as a permanent plant. And once you bring this from a nursery, you will have permanently in your garden. This is one of the best plants for beginners, and today I will show you how to care and grow this beautiful plant in a short time and multiply this very easily. Cut a small stem of Syngonium plants and put them in water for rooting. They can be propagated easily in water. Keep this water near a window for better growth. So there are many varieties. This is a very tiny leaf Syngonium, and also this green Syngonium, and there is pink Syngonium. This is a beautiful indoor plant, and also these plants doesn't need much care and fertilizer. So once you have this in your garden, you can have many plants out of them. So I had only one plant and I have multiplied them now to many plants in my garden. When talking about soil preparation, you can use garden soil, and a little bit of compost mixed with sand will do for this plant. Do not overwater this plant as well. You can skip watering every day, and you can water them every other day. So just skip one day and water this plant, but the mist spray will do wonders to these plants because they love getting a mist in the morning. So these plants doesn't prefer the sandy soil or the dry soil. They likes the well moistured soil. So there are many varieties. I tried collecting them, so now I have this pink Syngonium as well, and these tiny leaves are really very adorable. So this is a must-have plant in your garden, and it's a permanent plants because a beginner gardener also can look after these plants. A person who has no time also, this is wonderful plant for you because they grow in a very short span of time. When talking about fertilizers for these Syngonium plants, they are not much fertilizer seeking. You can but time to time give fertilizer of your choice. I of course recommend using any organic fertilizer like tea and coffee fertilizer in liquid form because they are rich in nitrogen, because these green leaves will grow very well when you supply a lot of nitrogen. So time to time you can provide them some tea or coffee fertilizer. So that is the best because I don't use any other fertilizers for my green plants, especially my indoor ornamental plants. So that's it for today about Syngoniums. I hope to do another videos regarding gardening and also about plants. So if you are a person who's new to my channel, consider to subscribe. You will get to know about more plants, more ornamental plants, flowering plants as per my experience. So thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.